Hey guys, He Plays Games here. Welcome to another video. Today I am doing a time lapse of, dang it. Well, I'm doing a video on an iPhone 6. I'm going to be doing a time lapse of me removing the screen, disconnecting a couple of things. I'm not sure what I'm going to be disconnecting exactly yet, but I'll figure it out as I go, and I'm going to make sure that you guys are going to be able to do this too. Okay, so now that it's a bit cleaner, not very clean, but it's a bit cleaner, what you're going to need for this little procedure, as I say, is a tiny little Phillips screwdriver. I'm not really sure the size. Hang on one second, I forgot my tool. You also need to have one of these, or a tool that you can pry open the display and pry off some of the connections inside. So you have to be careful. As you can see, this is a fully working. What happened? There. I have a fully working 6 here. I will show you by going into the settings. That is a iPhone 6. Hang on. It doesn't say. But I can tell you guys this is an iPhone 6. I've taken this apart before. It works just fine. Camera, back of the phone. So let's go. Let's push up. I'm pushing up on my display to get it off. And then once I actually get inside the phone and show you guys how to open it, then I'll start the time lapse. So you do this, pull it right out of the top there, and you see the inside of the iPhone. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick time lapse of me taking this apart, removing the SIM card, and I don't know what else, but I'll figure it out. Alright. Here comes the time lapse. So guys, I finally finished. That took way longer than I expected. I really wish it hadn't. I would have definitely preferred it to take less time. Like I was saying, I showed you guys how to do that. The phone almost didn't turn on, which kind of scared me. But it's okay, because I got it now. Don't do what I did the first time, because that's kind of what messed it up at the beginning. But follow the rest of it. It works pretty efficiently, especially when I've done so much research on this. So anyways, I forgot to put back in the SIM card. Just slide that back in. Push down to close. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give that like button a nice punch in the face. And and click here, right in the middle, to subscribe. Click here for the visionaries, right there. And click here for a video that YouTube thinks you'll like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. High five.